Hey friends, it's Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books and More. You can find me on Facebook at Suzanne Shares Usborne Books. You can find me on YouTube at the same spot. So I am a classical conversations mom. This is our 8th year to do CC. My oldest here in Challenge. My youngest is in Foundations and Essentials. And we actually found Usborne through homeschooling years ago, and I became a consultant about 5 years ago. And we have loved using these books with CC. So I have some videos from Classical Conversations Cycle 2 from a couple of years ago, and I wanted to update those. So if you are Classical Conversations people, these might be helpful. And then even if you're not, if you're a homeschool mom, or even if you're just a parent who wants resources for your children to help with math, I think you'll find some gems here. So focusing on math resources, and I'm going to go through these kind of like by age. So for some of our youngest learners, I really enjoy writing numerals. It gives them the visual conception of the numbers. Like here are 5 monsters, and then they also are also able to write and practice the number at the bottom. So that is writing numbers. And then I really love Lift the Flat First Math for our youngest learners. It is a Lift the Flat book. And I, as a visual learner, really appreciate how it shows them and gives them a visual conception of addition and subtraction. So one butterfly plus one butterfly is 2. So it shows them that they can see in picture form. And then also for subtraction, 4 butterflies minus 1 is 3, because then they only see the 3 there. So that is Lift the Flat First Math. Now getting into a little bit older kiddos, we have this Lift the Flat. This is multiplying and dividing, but we also have it in addition and subtraction. So if they just need some extra practice with that, this is the multiplication one, but the addition and subtraction is very similar. It just gives them visual concepts related to addition and subtraction, and also in this one specifically, multiplying and dividing. So we do have this in adding and subtracting as well as multiplying and dividing. Some other addition and subtracting resources. I love these. They're just $10. We use these in the summer for just math reinforcement so they don't lose it over the summer. If you don't use it, you lose it. So it's a workbook, it's games, super fun. The answers are in the back, but this has been a fun way for us to reinforce math over the summer, these activity books. And we have them, I'll kind of move on to multiplication division, but we have them. This is the times table one. We also have fraction and decimals. In this same activity book series, you'll notice very similar game kind of workbook type things. And then we have a new one measuring things. And there's also a telling the time one in this series. So for kiddos that need help with multiplication, we have Lift the Flat times tables. It's a little different from the multiplying and dividing one in that this one is specifically focusing on helping them with their times tables. And it gives them, like these are the 8s, and it shows visual images of what those look like. And this is probably one of my hands down favorite books, Lift the Flat times tables. We also have practice pad. There's a math practice pad, and then we specifically have this times table practice pad. Again, we use these a lot in the summer just for reinforcement because they can never have enough practice with times tables just to get those cued in and cemented in their brain. Also wanted to show you this. This is not, it's kind of a hidden gem. This is 10 Days to Multiplication Mastery. It uses the learning map. Sorry, this is the multiplication ones in our van. This is the division one, but we had these when I was growing up at school. You know, these are divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So you finish the key, and then they're self-checking. So where it's raised right here, the little string should follow that. And if they don't, then they know they did something wrong. So I really like this. We have it in our van. Great for just using while you're traveling for reinforcement. But paired with this, and there's a little box set. It comes with a CD and the multiplication learning wraps and a book, or you can buy, and that's $20, or you can buy this, which is $4.99, and this, which is $8.99. And it's just a 10-day process to work through. There's certain things they do every day to practice their multiplication facts. They work through this workbook. It is a great product that a lot of people don't know about, so I like to talk about it. And then finally, just some other math resources. We have these illustrated math dictionaries. We have First Illustrated, definitely geared towards younger. And we have this kind of elementary midway. And then this one is great for higher ages, middle, high school. I've even heard of some customers taking it with them to college. So they're all very similar. I'm just going to let you peek in this one. They are colorful. I love the visual component of the book. So it gives them visual conceptualization of these often complicated math concepts. So I love our math dictionaries as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video with our math resources from Usborne Books and More. If you have any questions or would like to order any, my website is SuzanneSharesUsborneBooks.com, or you can contact me through Facebook, Suzanne Shares Usborne Books, and I'll be glad to help. So thanks so much, friends.